evening and welcome back sa aming YouTube channel. And samahan niyo po kami guys, nandito kami sa mall. Kasi kakatapos lang ni Dominic guys na mag-work and dinala niya kami dito ni Baby James sa mall. And James is going to play.
Yeah, it's like a bounce house here.
Bounce house. So they're always
kind of.
Like how many times have you been here?
Once that we've actually participated. The other times we just like looked.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this time guys, maglalaro sila. So samahan niyo po kami. Dito kami maglalaro guys sa Field House, USA. So ito yung mag-ama. Hey guys. So sign kami ng waiver right now. And bago kami mag-play. And something happened to Baby James. Nadapa siya guys, yung forehead niya. Say hi.
Okay, we're good actually.
You're good?
Yeah.
He's putting James' bracelet. And dalawa lang sila maglalaro guys. James! James! And then Daddy's gonna wearing his socks.
Good job, me too, look!
Wow! Daddy got one. Mommy don't have nothing. Wala mommy bracelet. Guys, nabuko lang ang forehead ni Baby James. Yan. Dapa siya guys. Grabe, bukol agad. Yay!
So yay!
Daddy's wearing
you're gonna keep your
socks.
jacket with you? Can I have my wallet and stuff in your...
Yeah.
Excited?
Yay! Go get it!
There you go. Yeah.
Give it to Mama! Give it to Mama!
Yep. Whoa. Figuring it out. Yep.
Show me how you kick it. Kick! You stay inside. You stay inside, babe. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Oh no! Look at the small ones. Oh! Oh no! I'm gonna get it.
Get the ball. Get the ball, Daddy.
Come on. Whoa! Yeah.
Napagod na ikaw, be? Tired na si baby? Oh no! Sorry, James! What happened to your clothes?
Belly.
Oh no, I can see your belly. I can see your belly.
Can we throw it?
James, say hi.
Oh no!
James.
Where's your mouth?
James. Let's see.
So mommy, how you get in? I don't know what this thing is. Oh, he's just gonna jump right.
Shoot, Daddy. Hi guys, kain tayo. Kain kami ni Baby James. Si Dominic, he don't like to be filmed while he's eating.
I can't fit in this camera. It's alright. What's up?
What you got?
Noodles, potatoes, bourbon chicken, and what's the General Tso's chicken.
Yeah.
Very good.
And this is James' food. Wow. Anong food mo, be? Yummy, yummy? Say yummy, yummy? Yummy!
As long as you two are in it. Is that good? Yeah. There, his whole hand's in his mouth.
Wow,
James.
you're so hungry, huh? James?
What are you doing? You don't need to do that.
Yes, got my food.
We got that on camera?
Smells good, guys. Kain tayo.
Okay, careful. I try to sneak on. There you go. Can you pull the hard ones out of there?
Asian food kami today. Walang rice. We didn't have rice, just noodles.
They have rice. You never. I think you got it one time. You didn't like it.
No, they have fried rice. Huh?
The wind out there was insane. That was nuts. Let me check that.
Guys, look at that. So yummy, delicious.
What'd you do while we were playing?
Phone?
Phone. Yeah, we kept looking for you when we got up there.
I'm looking for a chair.
No love game. I feel like whenever I eat this one, it never messes my stomach up. We had it so much for so long, I feel like I get tired of it. But sometimes you just want a sub or a sandwich or...
The American food.
Yeah, unfortunately.
So yummy. James likes noodles too. Got some daddy's food. So now, it's my time to share my food to James. Okay, spring roll.
Let's try to stop talking. Mom doesn't talk to me, James.
Hi, James! We're going home, guys! Look at baby James' attire today. Let's go, Bucks! You're very orange, James, but you're very colorful. Yeah, say home, James, home! Say home! Oh, we're not yet home, Mom. How many minutes, Daddy? 6 minutes. Can you imagine, guys? We live 6 minutes away from the mall. That's why James and Dominic, if he don't want to stay in the house while watching James, they always go here.
Yeah, I don't get to get out of the house much, so
yeah, because he
sometimes I
works
just
from
want to walk.
home.
The mall's nice because I can get a cup of coffee, walk around, and let James run around. Everybody wins.
Win-win. Yeah, and it's inside.
And it's inside, which is nice for the cold or the really hot summers.
Yeah. So this is the mall that, guys, that we always go. Polaris Fashion Place. So 6 minutes away lang siya sa aming apartment. Hey everyone! Nandito na kami sa bahay. And, ayun, si Dominic nag-quick nap, guys, kasi mag-work na naman siya. Ito na pala yung mga natira namin pagkain kanina, guys. So, binalot namin. Tapos, dalhin namin kasi i-continue namin yung pagkain ni James mamaya. Ito yung natira kay Dominic, guys. Ayan, pagkain niya. Tapos, yung sa akin naman, si James kasi guys, gusto niya yung chicken na in-order ko. Kaya ayan, medyo konti na lang yung pagkain na natira para sa akin. Pero okay lang kasi may rice naman ako dito na luto na. Tapos, meron pa tayong chicken tsaka noodles. So, ayan lang. Tapos, meron tayong soy sauce dito. Ang sarap niya, chili sauce. Tapos, yung sausawan ng lumpia. Hindi ko ba alam ba't dinala ko ito. Wala naman akong lumpiang natira kasi naubos na namin ni James. Yes! Nandito ang aming baby James. Say hi, baby. Hi! Say hi. So, pagkagising ni Dominic, bali, nasa bedroom namin natutulog, nagnanap ngayon si Dominic. So, sabi niya mga 10 minutes nap lang daw. So, hindi pa kami doon makapag-akyat ni James. After magising ni Daddy, magliligpit kami or magtutupi kami ng mga nilabhan namin ni Baby James today. Kasi nanglaba kami kanina. Tapos, habang nagtutupi ako, papaandarin na lang natin yung TV para hindi naman siya mabagot ba. Kasi, pagka nagpo-fold kasi ako guys, ang daming damit ni James, lalo na yung sa kanya. Ang liliit. So, medyo matagal talaga matapos. Nandito na kami ni Baby James sa bedroom. And gusto niya daw manood ng, what you wanna watch? Car or dog?
Yeah.
Which one?
Dog.
Dog. Gusto niya daw manood ng dog. Turn on natin yung TV para malingaw din siya. Para hindi siya mainip.
Dog.
Opo, yeah. Yeah, you want dog? Yung mga nilabhan namin ni Baby James, isang basket. Yung iba na hanger na siya guys, kaya hindi na kailangan nating tupiin. So yung mga kailangan tupiin, isang buong basket talaga siya. Ayan.
Like a dog. Why would Katie do this to me? Because as your friend, I have you too. I don't have like.
Is it Duke? Is it?
Looks like he understands, guys.
Lay down.
Dog.
Good boy. Your hat is
Hi.
Hi.
Excuse me.
Me.
Excuse me.
Leash.
Can you back up? Sira ng mata mo eh. Can you sit here? Come here. You're so here. Come here. Sit here in the basket.
Look at all these sticks. Butterfly.
Okay. Sit na. Look at his chair. James, how's your chair? Guys, yung cute niya sa chair niya. Very focused. Good siya ba? Maganda upuan mo, biba? Laundry basket, be? Usually guys, kapag pag nagtutupi ako, it will take at least 30 to 45 minutes talaga. Pero this time, medyo konti lang yung ating mga nilabhan. Kasi hindi ko alam kung bakit. May mga days, may mga weeks din talaga na ang dami kong nilalabhan. Pero this time, ganito lang siya. So, siguro kaya to. Pag hindi ako nag-vlog, mas mabilis sana. Kaso, pag nag-vlog, medyo natatagal lang tayo. Kasi syempre nga, ito, maba na may sasalita. Tapos minsan, pinapalit-palit pa yung angle ng camera, di ba? Dodoble talaga yung haba ng oras. So, tired po eh. Alright, tapos na kaming mag-fold ng mga nilabhan ni Baby James. And ito na yung part 2 ng dinner niya, guys. Alas 10 na ng gabi. Ay, ngayon pa lang siya ulit kakain. Kasi kanina naman kumain kami sa mall ng around 7:45 na. So, ayun. And kakain na ulit siya. So, ito pala yung pagkain ni Baby James. Ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys. Sarap. Use your fork. Diba, gutom na gutom ang bata ko. Ayan yung dinner niya. So, meron tayo ditong bell pepper. Nilaga ko lang siya. Meron ditong roasted potatoes. Tira yan sa pagkain ni Dominic. Meron siya ditong steamed broccoli and steamed carrots. Tapos, meron din siyang chicken from my food, yung in-order ko kanina. Tapos, meron din siyang tirang noodles. So, ayan yung dinner niya. Enjoy your dinner, James. James. Kain na si baby James ni Mami. Pugi-pugi ang baby ko ba? Hi. Hello.
Whoa.
Hello. Say, let's eat, guys. Say, let's eat. Kabuyag, ah? Yummy-licious! Dinner po tayo! Here's your tubig, be. Here's your tubig. Alam ka, dami tubig. Bell pepper! Yay! Bell pepper! How is it? Yummy? Masarap, be? Masarap ang bell pepper? Chicken. Thank you so much guys for watching and thank you rin so much sa pagsama sa amin sa mall kanina. And magdi-dinner lang si James. Nahiya kasi si James kumain guys kasi nakatingin daw po kayo. So, ika-close na namin yung video namin kasi late na din po. And para makapagpanood siya kasi yung phone na ginagamit ko ngayon sa pagbablog is yung phone din na ginagamit niya. Ginagamit niya pag nanonood siya ng TV habang siya ay kumakain. So, ayan. Thank you so much, everyone! If bago pa lang po kayo sa aming YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And meron din po kaming Facebook page. Facebook page namin, guys, doon kami most updated. Everyday meron talaga kaming post doon. Kung hindi video, pictures, ganun. So, follow niyo po kami. The Bailey Squad pa din po yung Facebook page namin. Thank you! Good night, kiss, James! Bye-bye, guys!